Okay, so now we'll have a look at uploading images in bulk, and to do this we'll go over to the files area. Now, to optimize and compress your images, what you need to do on your local computer is put your images first in a zip file, and we're going to name this zip file with the exact name import_files.zip. Now we'll check that the zip file is under 100 megabytes. If it is, then you can make smaller zip files and then upload those. Just make sure that each zip file is named exactly import_files.zip. Now, the compression works best for JPEGs. You should know that images should not be PNGs. A simple rule, PNGs are for graphics, not for photographs, and Google will actually penalize you if you upload photos that are PNGs. So once you've zipped up your JPEGs, we can now upload them and they'll be optimized and compressed. Now, once it's saved and you go back into the files area, all the images aren't here yet, but you can hard refresh and you can see them progressively being added. If it's 100 megabytes, allow about 5 minutes for those to all sequentially upload, but you can go about your business now and do other tasks. You'll notice here the bot assisted button. Well, your theme came with a collection of images that you selected during sign up. And if you wish to replace this collection with your own images, you can do so now and your bots will update them across the website. So click the bot assisted button and here you can see the 8 images that you selected at sign up, and to replace them, click Edit, make sure that the replace file toggle is set to yes, and now that will update your new image right across the website. Well, a common question I also get is, can you actually use the other collections that you saw during sign up? Well, there were 70 image collections there, and yes, you can get access to those to use them. You just go back to MOBLE.com, click themes, find the theme that you're interested in, and then click design notes. Here you can see the photographer credits along with the link back to the source, and you can download the zip file for that collection. And yes, they're already named import_files.zip, ready for you to upload. Okay, so when you're ready, go and upload and replace your own images. But now let's move on and use AI to generate some images with MOBLE's AI Photo Assistant.